Okay. Mani si Kyle. Dula, gid mi og kuan kay sa mag-TV, mag-cellphone, no, Kyle, di ba? Kusog makadaot. So, advice sa mga bata na dili mag-watch TV o play cellphone. Yeah, i-advise.
Every Indian alpha kid and parents, you need when do not watch your kid with TV and don't give them an iPad and just instead play them with their toys and when they're still bored you can and other kids will go outside in the street to play. And everyone, guys, this is how to make a rocket. First, you need these tiles to build these gates, tile pieces. You have to put it when you have this one. You can also put it but you can also put it on everywhere. But this is the tower that the rocket that I made. Look, this looks so cool. Now we need this looks triangle shape, and use this big giant muscles. When your rocket out balance, remove this triangle piece and put this and this here. Now you have this rocket. Look, it launches. Whee! But I have more. And how to make a shirt. I'm doing now. And now how to make the church. First, you need all of these. You need this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You need 10 of the tiles. 1, 2, 3. 3 big triangles. 1, 2, 3. 3 giant triangles. 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles. Now let's build. First you need this tile, but you can also place it everywhere. And the gate pieces, put it and the gate pieces, and put this on this place on here, and put place there, and put this place and this, and you need these triangle shapes to fit your make looks so cool, and you need this at the back so the details they look cool. And look, you have now, and there's still more. How to make a robot? First you need this and the gate pieces on the front. When you have more gate pieces, it means it needs more pieces. 10 tiles, 10 big triangles, and 10 giant triangles, and 3 triangles. Now we'll build a robot. First you need these pieces with a Z on it, and you put these gate pieces on the front. When you have these gate pieces with a little bit this on, and you need this when you are out of this. You need this, but you can turn it into square. Don't not waste it, and you just candles to make it look rectangle. Second, you use the tie on it, and you put this and this, and use it as this little weapons. Wait, just wait. Oh, here. This weapon looking things. Spiky. It looks spiky. What is this? Good. Wait.
Okay na. Bugatan. So, ano na yan siya?
Now, if you're finished.
Robot.
But the last.
May last pa ba ya? Ano na sa...
This one is the new rocket set. First, you need these pieces.
Ano ba ito kain na? Rocket sa ito yung ginang.
Ini kay new rocket formula. For this and this. We put here and the big pieces at the. Now you need more big pieces in the front. But you have more triangles and more of these pieces. You can also put at the back when you have 6 triangles and more tile pieces.
Can.
And use these pieces.
Wow.
Here. But the back.
What type of missile? A rocket?
A rocket. Another rocket. You can na kay, I think it's a missile.
Missile ba ito kain na? In a rocket.
Okay.
So, what toy is this? What do you call this toy?
Picasso tiles.
Magnetic,
this,
no?
Yes, and this
So
are...
dili na mag-advise sa mga bata?
Di na mag-cellphone, di na mag-iPad, di na mag-kuaan.
Watch TV.
But a problem of Gen Alpha kids is but don't watch your kid at the tablet. Instead, you play your kid and entertain at the outdoor. But you can also play toys before.
Amo. Good job, Kyle. Ito pa yung mga toys ng iba, no? Puzzle.
A review. And this is Beyblade.
Okay, say bye-bye. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Bye!